Today is August 25th. It is currently like 6 p.m. I got off work this morning. I woke up. I had placed the order at Dolls Kill, and then because they have a flagship store here, you can pick it up the next day, but they never sent me the email. So anyways, I did place the order like Sunday or Monday, and I was like, oh bet, I'm gonna just pick it up the next day, but that didn't work out. So I got it today. Let me show you guys, it's really cute. So I am finally back at the apartment. Traffic was kind of crazy, but I just so enjoyed the drive. I love driving places that I've never been before. I just love going down roads that I've never been before. I just love travel, you know what I'm saying? Like in any shape or form. So yeah, it was a long drive home, but it was so nice. Dolls Kill is on Fairfax. So yeah, I mean, if you know where that is. I wish I would have like Googled the street first so I could have like seen, because there's so many like restaurants and other stores, but I just wasn't in the mood for all of that today. My cycle is on and I just have enough energy for a few tasks at a time. Tay's at the gym right now. I was supposed to be there with her, but as you know, again, my tum-tum is killing me. So she's at the gym. When she gets back, we're probably gonna go to Jenny's Ice Cream, because she said they have a new like cookies and cream or like cookie dough flavor, so she wants to try it. I'm about to clean the apartment. It's in shambles, obviously, you know, because we've been working and like just in and out or whatever. Like the pillows on the couch are destroyed because we sit on it every day. We be chit-chatting before like one of us goes to work. So I'm gonna just passe on man, because it looks crazy in here for real, and it's starting to stress me out. So that's what I'm about to do. I also finally got a can opener so I can make Tay and I these tuna sandwiches. We got some at this place called Met Her at a Bar, or Met Him at a Bar, and we love this. Love this so much. Oh dang, we don't have no French fries. Because I finished all them. Whole Foods has these rosemary seasoned French fries, and they're so good. And I bought them for the sandwiches, but then I realized that the place here didn't have a can opener. And now, you know, I'm gonna just have to eat the sandwich, which is fine. It's fine, you know what I'm saying? I have some tater tots, and I think I have other fries. Because I remember I had asked Taylor to buy me some. Y'all know I love potatoes in any shape or form. Like I just be waking up and I'm like, hash browns. Like I just want potatoes all the time. So yeah, we have fries. I'm excited about that. So I'm probably gonna make it so it can set in the fridge, you know, kind of like get a little cold and stuff. And then when we come back from ice cream, we can eat it. And then we're gonna watch Into the Spider-Verse. I think I can buy it on, if not Amazon, it's one of these streaming services you can get it on. So we're gonna stream it tonight because Tay still hasn't seen it, but we watched the first one. I made her watch the first one on the flight here, and she loved it. So she's really excited about seeing the second one. So I'm hoping we can watch it tonight. And we also need to listen to Victoria Monet's album, so we'll probably do all of that tonight. I'm so excited. Also, tomorrow is such an exciting day. I'm going to be meeting one of my best friends that I've actually never met in real life. She actually was one of my first subscribers when I started YouTube in like 2015. And you know, we followed each other on socials, we would be chit-chatting, and then slowly but surely over the last couple of years we've developed this really exceptional bond. She's just one of those people that my soul was just like, girl, you need her. And her name is also Cass. We talk all the time. We know everything about each other's lives. Like we really love each other. That's my girl, you know what I'm saying? So we've been plotting like literally for the last 3 years, even like from COVID to now, we've been trying to see each other. She lives out here. Obviously I live on the East Coast, and it's been so hard. It's just been hard, you know, with life. We're working different schedules. Life is just kicking in. So I'm so excited to be here and to finally meet her. I'm so excited. So yeah, I can't wait. So I went to Walgreens as well. I stopped on the way because I was like, I wanted some nails for this weekend because I'm actually off for 4 days. So I was just like, girl, time to get cute. Let me show you the Dolls Kill first. So I got this tee. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow when I see Cass. Because I want to be cute but comfortable. We're going to a really nice restaurant, and then we're gonna go to this bubble museum. It's kind of like one of those interactive museums. This is the shirt. The stud detailing is what got me. I was like, yeah, put it in the cart. And then of course this, y'all know I'm in my Y2K phase. Like I have so many different phases. I'm a Bratz doll. That's my 2000 Y2K phase. I like to keep things real minimal sometimes, really sleek, no makeup. Like I just love, this is why I love fashion. Like you could be whoever you want to be. Like Barbie wasn't really lying for real. Then I got this really pretty choker. I'm hoping it'll be how I envision it. It's so stunning. How do I put this on? I gotta put this over my head? Oh. Thank God I wear wigs. I can just put it over my bonnet. But anyways, so this is the choker, and then imagine the black band not here, and then these just sitting on my neck. Yeah, that's cute. So I'm gonna give that a try. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow too, I think. I got some nail glue because all of mine ran out. This is, I hope this works. My nail beds are weird and I need really strong glue. Okay, these are the nails that I got. They're super pretty. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna put them on. The can opener, and it was only $5, so hopefully it's not cheap. It's huge. It feels heavy. And then I got a new nail filer because mine is like really dull. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's all that I got. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to hang out with Cass. I'm about to put my wig on. I'm doing this, man. I got that shoe B. Girl, I've been trying to wet my hair more since apparently oil doesn't moisturize my scalp. No girl, because they say it's pointless. Now they saying that there's literally no correlation to oil. I'm like, y'all just making stuff up. This is what our mother's been doing for centuries. So like, what are we supposed to do? Girl, I'm wearing my wig, my Dallas wig. That wig, once you fixed it. Oh yeah. This is gonna be laid. I'm so happy I have pre-washed all my wigs. I forgot I had dyed them all jet black, so that all of my wigs that I've been wanting to wear have been nice and freshly washed. It's giving I'm a dude, she's a dude. Drake Bell had that one skit where he was the guitarist and he was like, yeah dude, so totally, and we're skateboarding. That was his hair. Let me put my choker on first. I forgot. My head is big as hell and y'all telling me I gotta put a whole choker over my head? Who does this work for? Girl, tell me why it's not even tight. I did all of that, squeezed it over my neck, and I still have to tie. I'm about to just cut it in the back and just tie it like a scrunchie because this is stupid. But I never forget when I butchered this wig and we had to come all the way to Dallas to save it.
And I got you right on together at 2.5 seconds.
Girl, when I say I literally could never, I said no. Here Val go again, saving Clee. the makeup.
Sorry, I'm recording.
Hey, get in here.
Valerie, what are you doing?
Taylor, are you sleeping with your contacts?
Huh?
Yeah, because I can see the lens on your eye.
Huh?
You know what it is? I got tan but didn't realize it. That's why I was hating my makeup so much. It was way too bright and I was just looking at my face like something is wrong.
You think we got tan out here? Oh, this is a pretty pink cast.
Girl, isn't it? I'm about to put that with my light pink on. What did I say? That was so wrong. I don't get it. I'm innocent, for real. And I'm doing a pink lip. I just want to be pink today with my little white shirt.
I think I'm gonna do tomorrow. I want pink.
Ooh, girl, with that shirt, yeah. I just want to let you know you are wearing it, so
yeah,
you gotta
probably
talk yourself out of it.
Yeah. The ombre.
Taylor, the twin. Hey Taylor.
I'm intrigued.
You know, we need to start doing our makeup together. That's been the problem too. We haven't been able to get ready to get tomorrow. We're the whole setup in here.
I'm gonna go to the gym early in the morning.
Maybe I'll come with you. Maybe
What?
maybe I'll come.
Listen, maybe has a Y in it. And you know what Y stands for? Yeah, I'm going. So
you're sick. I wish I could see Taylor in the corner trying not to be in the video but still watching it. The way you're leaning on a towel rack for support is, you know what? Taylor, the side eye,
you know what?
Is bombastic. And I didn't even do anything, so, you know.
Okay, so you're wiping the stuff off.
Mm-hmm.
Your skin,
girl. And then when the oils start coming out from behind these powders, look at the freckles. The freckles are here. Do you see the freckles?
Yeah, I do. I do.
This was because I've always been heavy-handed. When I was younger, me and Val was talking about this the other day. I loved the color orange because I loved Kel. That was my first crush from Keenan and Kel. I loved him. Anything orange soda, this was me. Orange crayons, I used to color like this. I colored so rough. You know, we was talking about how we heavy-handed?
Yeah.
I used to break the crayons. Val used to hate me. Our 64 pack, there was never no oranges. I would break every crayon.
Oh my God.
So I always just put too much stuff on my face. Like, I've always just been heavy-handed. So I was like, today I'm gonna put dots of product because I'm sick of this. Taylor got me this, y'all. I've been wanting one, and my girl said, don't even worry about it.
I'm so excited. Ooh, and the creamy formula.
They're monstrous.
Ooh.
Taylor.
Oh my God.
Look at the comparison. It took the look from to hello, y'all.
Oh my God.
Taylor, this is literally the perfect touch.
Oh my God.
The way I don't have to buy the moon dust, I'm about to use that as a highlighter too.
Oh yeah, you definitely should. Come on now. It's like perfect.
This is literally, it looks like the perfect amount of sparkle. Thank you, my sister in Christ. So tomorrow, both of our lids. If you put this over your, like a gold shadow with your look. Yeah, that's right. We're doing it. We finna be in here tomorrow like this, like we in a lab.
Yeah.
That's gonna be us beating our
I'm probably
faces.
start getting ready at like 10 p.m. I mean 10 a.m.
As soon as we get back from the gym. But it'll be like,
yeah.
Alright, I'm doing my lip. I can't wait anymore. Val hates TV, so when she actually likes something, watch out.
She's in it too. She has not looked once.
She barely talking to me. I keep looking at the lid and I want to throw up.
Lid.
Baby, the lid. Oh.
Come closer, let me see.
Nah, I'll go get yours today.
Pretty.
Oh
Wow, that is so...
The lid is crazy. Now I need a little bit more on this side.
Oh my God.
I'm about to use this as a highlight. I'm about to just start putting it all over my body. How about that? This is literally what I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.
Oh, thank God.
Of you tonight till tomorrow. I can't believe Yolanda took my girl away from us. Who I'm gonna be outside that jail?
Oh, sorry.
The lady who killed Selena.
Oh.
I'm outside the jail when they release her.
I gotta get out of here. Call the cops.
Hey, is that your 911?
Yeah.
You know what?
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs.
Okay, AliExpress shades, choker from Dolls Kill, shirt from Dolls Kill. I'm wearing my Fashion Nova. I think it was it. Taylor?
I just saw it and I was like, I don't know.
I feel like we need to do it.
Okay.
It's so tiny.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna borrow this for Taylor. Let me borrow this. Will my sunglasses fit? This is so cute and small. I don't think my sunglasses will fit, but I'll probably honestly not end up wearing them. I'm gonna just leave them in the car. Yeah, so I'm wearing my Fashion Nova cargos. Y'all know the ones. Very cute. Yeah, this is adorable. All right, guys, Cass is on the way. I will see you guys later. Today, my soul is about to be renewed because I'm actually meeting one of my best friends that I've never met in real life today, and this is so exciting. And her name is Cass.
To call you mine, and you have got my head in the clouds.
Oh. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what